See how easy it is to use PagoEfectivo, the #1 cash-based payment method in Peru, with PagSeguro. The user selects the product or service they want to purchase and clicks to finish the order. Now they select PagoEfectivo as the payment method and click to confirm it. Using the CIP code, the user can choose to complete the payment either online or offline in up to 7 days. If the user wants to pay at a convenience store or bank, they choose one of the 70,000 establishments around Peru. After informing the CIP code at the cashier and paying with cash, payment is confirmed immediately. Another option is to pay by bank transfer using online or mobile banking. They just have to access their banking app, select it to make a payment, and inform the CIP code. Payment will be confirmed immediately. If they choose to pay using their favorite e-wallet, the user just has to scan the QR code to complete the payment. Once payment is completed with any method, it is confirmed in a few minutes, and a receipt is presented to the user. And also an email with the status update for the purchase. Offering PagoEfectivo on your checkout is quick and easy with PagSeguro. Talk to us right now and start offering the preferred cash-based payment method in Peru.